I hope you're all doing fabulous. Today we are going to do another unboxing and it will be from Louis Vuitton. Yes guys, I just had my special day recently and I received this as a gift. And of course, as usual, I want to share it with you. So let's start. All right guys, so first I just want to show you, as usual, when you buy something from Louis Vuitton, you will get 2 samples of perfume. So I got this too. So this will be added to my collection. See which one I would like and maybe buy a regular size one of these days. All right guys, are you ready? Before I open this box, let's check what else is in this paper bag. Okay, let's put it there. So in here guys, we have an envelope. We have 2. Okay, so this one is the receipt, and this bigger envelope, we can see this card. All right, it says here, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Well, I'm not the one who shopped, but it says thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials and packed with the utmost care, following strict sanitary guidelines. Please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfume, hand sanitizer, or disinfectants as they can damage leather and canvas products. Also find their complete care instructions guys in their website. So that's that. All right, now let's open this box. All right guys, as usual, it comes with a very nice ribbon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull it from here and move it from here. So there's a handle here guys, so I'm just gonna pull it there. So just gonna pull it that way. There it is guys. Probably already have an idea what it is. All right guys, so let's take it out. So of course it comes with the dust bag, as you can tell. What we have in here guys is the Bom Dia Flat Comfort Mule, Louis Vuitton, that combines fashion and function in Louis Vuitton's signature monogram canvas. There guys, so I'll move it closer. So as we can see, it has 2 straps. So this strap right here guys has a velcro. Okay, it has a velcro that we can adjust if it's tight or if it's loose, so we can do that. And in here, as you can see, it has an engraved gold tone buckle and an atomic insole and a slip resistant rubber outsole, complete with effortless on-trend style. There it says here Louis Vuitton and it's made in Italy. Size 37, but this one is 37.5, just because of the style guys. I will do a mod shots of this so that you can have an idea how it looks on my feet. Okay, my feet are not the greatest, but anyhow, I'll try my best to show you how it looks. So in here it says Louis Vuitton Paris. All right guys, and as what I've showed you a while ago, if you take a closer look, it looks so nice, right? It looks like it has a good grip. So it has a slip resistant rubber outsole, as I mentioned a while ago. I watched some vlogs regarding this Bom Dia Flat Comfort Mule guys that came out before, and they said that the outsole was leather. It was like, you know, like it's better to like put a protector to it, but this one, since it's rubber, I'm thinking that it would last longer. This strap, guys, is also adjustable. As you can see, we have 3 options, but I prefer to keep mine in the middle. It's gold tone, guys, as you can see in here and also here. They look so cute. I'm so happy to receive this on my special day. I wasn't expecting it, but thank you so much to my special someone who gave this. Thank you. Since it's still summer here, I know I'll be able to enjoy wearing this for months to come. All right, there it is, guys. It looks so pretty. That's the front. Okay, let's do a 360. That's the back. That's the side. According to LV, guys, to preserve the beauty of this product, they recommend the following guidelines for its care, and that is to clean patent leather with a soft, damp, preferably light colored cloth, then wipe it with a clean cloth. To prevent color migration, we have to avoid prolonged contact between patent leather and other leathers. We have to keep our shoes in the 2 felt pouches. We have to store them in a cool, dry, well ventilated place. We have to avoid contact with water, so please, guys, don't wear it in the beach or in the pool, okay? Any substances containing alcohol such as perfume, solvents, etc., or oil such as makeup and abrasive products in general. If shoes have been in contact with water, it is important to allow them to dry thoroughly on shoe trees before cleaning them. Alright, guys, so let's do some mud shots of this cute Bomb Dia flat comfortable mules. That's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will be notified once I post another video. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time, bye.